Why do we need oxygen? That is my question for the day. Hey everybody, it's Shannon, and this is the third video in a series I'm doing on how life works, the physiology of everyday life. So I thought I would talk a little bit about oxygen and why we need it and why it's so important anyway. Why do we have a respiratory system to bring in oxygen? What does it actually do? So just like a campfire uses oxygen to burn wood, wood's the fuel, carbon, we burn carbohydrates in our cells as our main energy source, our main fuel source to make the energy molecules ATP. So we need that oxygen to fuel the fire in our cells, in the little organelles of the mitochondria. So let's follow it through for a second. You're at lunch or dinner, you're eating a little forkful of rice. In your digestive system, that rice will be broken down into smaller sugar molecules. We break down complex carbohydrates into smaller little sugar molecules. And then in our cells, we're going to use those as our main fuel source. So the respiratory system is taking in the air and gathering the oxygen and bringing that into the cells. And the nutrients and the oxygen are getting into our cells through the highway system, our cardiovascular system. So that ties all those in together, and hopefully that gives a little bit of a bigger picture of how all these different systems work together to serve us as an organism. And remember, this even ties us into the larger biotic system around us. The plants are taking in carbon dioxide and giving off oxygen and water vapor, and we're all part of a larger system of how life works. So I hope that was helpful and that gives you something to think about today. Thanks.